Here's what actually happens during a deep neck lift. We begin with a small incision hidden under the chin. Through that, we access the space beneath the platysma muscle, which is often split down the middle with age, a condition known as platysma diastasis. We remove the deep fat that sits between the platysma muscle and the digastric muscle to help define the contour. This also exposes the medial bellies of the digastric muscle, which are then sutured together to create an internal hammock. This structure supports and lifts the central portion of the neck from within. If the submandibular salivary glands are enlarged, we may also reduce them at this stage to further redefine the jawline. Once that's complete, the platysma is reapproximated over the digastric and the skin is closed. That's the first part, focused on internal structural correction through a small central incision. But to complete the transformation, we move on to the second part, the lateral lift. This is done through a discrete incision placed around the ear. From there, we access not only the lateral edges of the platysma, but also the underlying SMAS, a fibromuscular layer that supports deeper facial tissues. We carefully incise and reposition the SMAS, tightening it to provide stronger, longer-lasting support than skin tightening alone. At the same time, we lift the lateral platysma towards the back, creating tension that complements the central hammock we built earlier. Together, this dual approach, internal deep work at the center and lateral lifting at the sides, allows us to reshape the entire neck. The result is a sharper, more youthful contour that looks natural, not pulled, and holds up beautifully over time. Thank you for watching Dr. Alain Danino's channel. Please like and subscribe and comment a suggestion for future videos.